Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and today we are going to add some variation to zombie movement and also to zombie size. So yeah, let's get started. First, you want to go to the link in the description that goes to my Google Drive, and here you can find um, zombie walk right, zombie walk left, zombie run right, zombie run left, these animations. You want to download these. And after you have done that, you want to go to the enemy folder, zombie 1, and to the animations. Okay, now, sorry, now you want to export these files. And you want to select our skeleton that our zombie is using. So zombie1 underscore skeleton. Import all. Okay, now we have some new animations I can show you. Okay, this one's like this. Right one is just like mirrored one. I don't know why this is lagging so much, but yeah, you can see. And the run left is like, I don't know why this is lagging that much, but yeah, you can see. Okay, now let's get to work. So we have this locomotion here. What we actually want to do, let's rename this to locomotion 1. And actually, let's duplicate it. Now it should be called locomotion 2. Now let's open it. And we want to change first all these walk animations to zombie walk left. Zombie walk left. Zombie walk left. Like that. And zombie running. Here we want to set this to zombie run left. Zombie run left. And yeah, the next thing are these values here. I have played with this for a while now, and I think I found some good values. So for the speed 20, we want to set our rate scale to 0.37, like that. And to the 0.80, we want to multiply it by 4, so 1.48. Okay, now zombie run left, this 200 speed 1. This should be 0.75. And now we want to multiply it by 1.85, so it becomes 370. So this should be 1.38, like that. And now we have these animations here. I don't know why my PC is lagging so much, but yeah, you can see it's working. Let's save. And now what we can do, oh, sorry, this, yeah, now we can save and close this. Now, actually, we want to duplicate this locomotion 2, not the locomotion 1, but the locomotion 2, so it should be locomotion 3. Because we want to change these animations to our right animation. So zombie walk right. Then okay. So zombie walk right. Here zombie walk right also, and here zombie walk right. You don't have to touch these grade scales because they are all the same. This is the same animation but like mirrored. Okay, zombie run left, zombie run right, zombie run right. Yeah. So zombie walk right, walk right, walk right, zombie run right, zombie run right. Okay, and it should be done. So these two should be exactly the same. Only difference is the animation is like mirrored. Okay, and the next thing we want to do, now we have three different locomotions here. We have this basic one, yeah, and we have this one side, like left side, or like the zombie has some problems with his left leg, and also here you can see he is like he's basically, I'll show you like zombie run left. This, if we change this rate scale to like that, you can see zombie is not using that left leg like completely. Yeah. So okay, change that back to 1 if you try that also. Now let's save and close. Now we have all these three. Now let's go to the APP zombie. here what we want to do, we want to actually first go to the event graph, and here at the begin play, let's actually move it a little bit like up. Now what we want to do, we want to get random, sorry, not get, random integer in range, this one. Now we want to set it, we have 3 locomotions, but I think we want to set the first locomotion, so this one for like 50% chance that it has this, and 50 that it has either one of these. So like this is 50% chance and this is 25-25, because they are basically the same but like mirrored. And yeah, because if we use like 1/3 chance on each, then I think there are too much of this one. I will show you. Okay, let's actually first then put this to 2. So 0, 1, and 2. So there are 3 chances. Now we want to promote this to a variable and connect it to here. And now let's call this like zombie random index or something like that. Let's compile and save. Okay, now we want to go to our init graph and to our locomotion and to our movement. Now we want to move this further away, and we want to get a blend by int, blend poses by int, and we want to connect this to here to the result, and we want to add a new pin to here. So blend pose 0, 1, and 2. Now let's connect this one to here. Now let's copy this. Let's do it 2 times. So like this, and also like this. Now we want to change this locomotion 1 to locomotion 2, like that, and connect it to blend pose 1. This locomotion 1 to locomotion 3 and connect it to the blend pose 2. Now let's compile and save, and I will actually do some adjusting like that. Okay, now there should be like 3 different locomotion animations that this is doing this again. Okay, I got it to work. Yeah. Actually, I forgot to do something. Let's go back to here. We want to add that zombie random index variable here, or it won't work. Sorry, I forgot that. Let's click that, compile, save, and back to here and play. Now let's see how it looks. The first one is using left animation, so the blend base 2. Yeah, if I kill him. That one is using the right one. That guy is using the first one, so it's using like both of his feet. Okay. And now, when I change, you don't have to do this, but when I change our starting round to like, I don't know, 13, so we have runners and walkers, you can see there are a little bit of, okay, this is lacking once again. Okay, I got it to work. I have had some weird problems with my computer lately. Okay, I will go to here so you can see better. You can see there are different animations on the different zombies. Okay, I will show you better. We go to here. You can see some of those are using first animation, and yeah, you can see there are like 3 different running animations. And now I think we also want to add some size differences to the zombies, so they are not all like exactly the same size. So let's do it. So what we want to do, we actually want to go to the PP enemy spawner, because our spawn actor PP enemy main is here. Now what we want to do, actually want to move this get actor transform here and split that like that. Now we want to split the spawn transform, and I actually think, I will move this to here and all these a little bit further down like that. Now let's move that back like that. Okay, now it looks better. Now we have this here, so let's split this. Now we want to connect this location to here and also the rotation. Okay, but the scale, we want to split this spawn transform scale thing. So we have 3 different options. And now we want to get random float. Oh, sorry, I always write get. It's only random float in range. So this one. Now let's connect this to the X. And this is like actually we can connect this to the X and Y. So both of these. So this is basically the how like fat or skinny the zombie will be. So the normal value is 1 or the normal scale. So let's put it like this is just for demonstration so you can see the difference. Let's put this like 0.7 and 1.3. Okay. And now let's actually try. You can see there are like size differences on the zombies. Okay, it's not actually that easy to see when they are running. But you can see like that zombie is super skinny and some other ones are like a little bit larger. Yeah, you can actually, of course, like play with these values as you want. You can like put 0.5 or and maybe 3. You can see like there are a lot of difference, but I don't think that this will not look that good anymore. Like you can see that's like stretched, and this doesn't look good anymore, but you can see the difference that it makes. So, and there is the actual skeleton one there, super skinny one. And yeah, okay. So now let's go back to here and change these to like normal values, like 0.8 and 1.2. I think these values are pretty okay. You can put whatever you want. And now what we want to do, we want to actually copy this and paste it to here and connect this to the set value. And for the set, we don't want to add that much, because this is the height, we don't want to add that much difference. At least I don't want, because it's harder to hit headshots and stuff like that. So I will put like 0.9 and maybe, actually let's put like 0.95 and like 1.1. I think these are pretty okay. So now let's compile and save. Now we can actually close this if we don't want to change this anymore. But if you want, you can do whatever you want with this. And you can try things out. And you can also remove this from here, from the Y. And you can like, you can do like 2 of these, connect that to the Y, and you can set these like how you want. Yeah, you can do it that way also, but I will do it the easier way, like this. So this controls the like how small or big the person is, like, you know, and this is like the height. Okay, compile and save. So now I actually think we have pretty good amount of variation on the zombies already. So you can see. Okay, actually I think that looks pretty weird when the zombie is that skinny. So I will actually fix that. So let's go back to here. And we can actually, I will actually set this to like 0.9. So I think that's better. So the zombies are not too skinny. Now I can close that and we can play and try it again. Yeah. You can see 2 different animations. Little bit of a difference on the size. This is like the little bit bigger guy. This is skinnier guy, also skinnier. This is like pretty normal. That guy is short but like pretty big. And yeah, we have different kinds of animations and stuff like that. So yeah. And now when we're done, if you also change this round number, I will change it back to 0, so we can try it from the first round. And if you did change that also, and you're like wondering later why your game is starting from high round. This is the reason. If you touch this, you want to set it always to 0, because when the game starts, it adds 1 round, so it's round 1. Okay. But yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to continue watching our Call of Duty Zombies series. But yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.